Welcome to this class. Friends, today I'd like to explain the procedure of taking the tool offset for drill bit for doing drilling operation, and here I will explain both theory and I will show the procedure of taking the tool offset actually on the machine. So here the first procedure is select the tool number or select the tool number or select the tool. Select the tool. So here this tool number here is tool number 5. Number 5. So I actually fixed this tool at the station number 5. So in my machine, and then press offset functional key, on MDI panel, and then press geometry soft key, so which is on display panel, and then move the cursor, and then move the cursor to the offset number. So that is, if you fix the tool drill bit on station number 5, move the cursor to the offset number 5, and then position at the x-axis. Sixth one is, now type minus 300 and input. See, this is the procedure for taking the tool offset for drill bit in x-axis. So the procedure is very simple. So first of all, we have to select the drill bit. For me, the drill bit is fixed on station number 5, therefore I have to select the tool number 5, and then press offset functional key. So this key is on MDI panel, and then press geometry soft key. So after pressing this functional key, so in display panel, geo like this, the label is there. By using the geometry label, we have to activate this geometry offset key, option, and then we have to move the cursor by using the navigation key, and we have to position that cursor at number 5 offset, and we have to position the cursor at x-axis box, and then we have to type 300, and we have to input this value. See here, the tool is, you already know, the workpiece is fixed like this. The workpiece will be fixed in work coding device like this, and the tool turret is here. So you know the datum of turret, it will be here only. So that is X0 and Z0. So drill bit will be fixed at some stations by using some work of drill loading devices. So the drill will be here. So for making the drill axis coincide with the workpiece, we should just type the 300. We have to input the 300 as x value. As soon as we input this value, the datum point from here will shift to the job axis center temporarily. See, this is the procedure for taking the offset in x axis. Okay, and then I will explain the procedure for taking the offset for z axis also. Okay, so up to here it will be same for z axis. So now the procedure, I will tell you the procedure of taking the offset for z axis. So here the same procedure, we have to press the functional offset key, and then we have to press the geometry soft key on display panel, and then select, and then move the cursor on required offset number, that is 5, and 6th one is position the cursor at z-axis box, z-axis. 7th one is select hand wheel, and also select the feed into 100 into 10 microns into 1 micron, and then move the drill bit, and touch on face of workpiece. So for knowing the gap between the drill bit and the work face, we can use the paper in between also. So move the drill bit and touch on the face of the workpiece. And 9th one is type z is equal to z0 and input this. So this is the procedure. As soon as we input this value, the absolute value of z-axis will be input on the z-axis box. Okay. So for taking the offset in z-axis for drill bit, we have to select the drill bit, and we have to press the functional offset key, and then geometry soft key, and we have to move the cursor on the offset number. If the tool is 5, I will do the offset in the offset number 5. For that reason, I have to position the cursor on 5, and we have to position the cursor at z-axis box and select the hand wheel. This procedure is for moving the tool from so we have to move the tool from the home position to the job up, and then we have to move the drill bit and touch on the face of the workpiece. For knowing the gap between the workpiece and the drill bit, so we can use some paper or feeler gauge also. We have to insert the paper in between this. Simultaneously we have to move the drill bit. As soon as this drill bit touches our paper, by sliding the paper, we can know the feeling between or gap between this workpiece and drill bit also. As soon as it touches, we have to type Z0 and input. As soon as we input this, the values will be updated in the respective position. Okay. So in addition to this, I will show the procedure on machine also. You please observe that also. Now I will show the procedure for taking the tool offset forward drill bit. Okay. So for this we have to select the required tool. Okay. Now the tool is 7 at position, but I want the tool number 1. For that I will select by indexing the turret. See here. So that is tool number 1. Tool number 1 is there at position. So now I will press the offset functional key. See, this is the offset functional key. Okay. So after that I have to move the cursor to the position number 5. So it is there at position number 5. So for X offset I have to just type -300 and input. That's all. So this is the very simple procedure for taking the offset along x-axis for only drill bit. That's all. Okay. Now we have to take the offset along z-axis. For that, so we have to move the tool from there to there on the face of the workpiece. So for moving, so we may use hand wheel or jog mode. So now I select the hand wheel mode and axis also. I will move on the face of the workpiece. So to know the distance between that drill bit and workpiece, I will use the paper. Okay, we have to slide like this. Okay, it touches now. So now, see here. So now the cursor is at X position. Now we have to move on the Z-axis box. So here I have to type Z0 and then measure. Okay. Okay. Now the axis taking procedure for Z-axis is also over. So after making X and Z-axis values inputted, and then we have to change this also. This must be 7. Okay. So this is the procedure for taking the offset for our drill bits.